Hi foodies, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a delicious stir-fried couscous with salmon, a simple, flavorful and healthy dish. Let's get started. First, let's prep our veggies. Here is what I'll be using: bell pepper, chop that into small pieces, carrots, dice them finely, broccoli, cut them into tiny florets, and green onion. Chop everything and set it aside. Next, I'll be going on to marinate the salmon, and I've already washed and patted it dry. Now I'll season it with my mixed spices for extra flavor. Once I'm done marinating that, I'm going to set it aside and let's move on. So go on to chop some onions, then heat up a pan, add some butter. I'm going to saute the onions until it's fragrant. And I will go on to place the salmon in the pan and pan fry that. I'm going to be flipping this occasionally to ensure that the salmon is cooking evenly. And once it's golden brown and cooked through, I will take that out and set it aside. So I'm going over to prepare the couscous. I'm using 1.5 cups of couscous. I've already boiled some water, and how I usually do this is to add a little bit of salt into the couscous and mix everything together. Then I'm going to pour in some boiling water into it and make sure the water is over the couscous and is fully covered. Then I'll cover that and let it soak while I finish up with the veggies. In the same pan, I added some butter and sauteed that with some chopped onion, and then tossed in the chopped bell peppers, carrots and broccoli. Stir-fried it for a few minutes and added the mixed spices as well for extra flavor. So here you can add your spices of choice depending on how you want it to taste. Now let's check the couscous. When your couscous is ready, it should have absorbed all the water, and when you fluff it off with a fork, you will see that it's now tender. So transfer the couscous into the pan and mix everything together. Go on to taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. And this is the final touch. I'm ready to serve the couscous. Everything is ready to my taste. So go on to serve the couscous with the pan-fried salmon and garnish with sesame seeds and green onion for an extra touch of flavor and crunch. It doesn't have to be couscous and salmon. It can be couscous and chicken. So depending on the protein of your choice, you can use any protein you want. You can also use your veggies of choice as well. So anything you want, you can just do a mix match according to your taste. And that's it. Our stir-fried couscous with salmon is ready. It looks amazing and also tastes even better. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.